Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So there is one feature in Instagram that is silent message. So if you want to message someone on Instagram and he or she might be busy, so you can send message to that person in such a way that they will not get any notifications like someone texted you or any kind of notification. So that message whatever you are going to send, it will reach to that person without any notifications. Okay, so whenever that person will open inbox, he or she can see that message. So I will show you in my screen how this features actually works and how can you use this feature. So here you can see if I will message something from here and I will get a notification in my another account. Okay, so what you need to do, just click on @ and you will see the notification here silent. Just click on this one. So now if I will message hello, you will see there will be no any notification here. Okay, so I will close this one. You can see now there is no any notification of messages in my another phone.